Hi everyone. In the era of COVID 19, wherein low or even no touch services are necessary, hearing care needs to be responsive with alternative modes of service delivery. With the COVID 19 related lockdown and limitations, in this video, I will be talking about a free application for mobile device which allows people to check their hearing regularly and intervene early in case of hearing loss. The app is targeted at those who are at risk of hearing loss or who already experience some of the symptoms related to hearing loss. I am Shashank Shekhar Mohanty, Assistant Professor Speech Pathology, CRC Tripura. Today I'll be talking about Hearing Test App by eAudiology. Let me brief you pure tone audiometry test. You may have had your hearing tested by audiologist during hearing checkup or for disability certificate purpose. You might remember putting headphone on and raising your hand whenever you heard the beep sound. This is pure tone testing. It is also called air conduction testing since the sound goes through your outer and middle ear. This test helps finding the quietest sound you can hear at different frequencies over headphone. Pure tone audiometry is a gold standard test of audiologic examination. Its role is to assess whether hearing acuity is normal or impaired. Air conduction hearing thresholds are measured for tonal stimuli at the range of frequencies from 125 Hz to 8000 Hz with the use of headphones. The graph plotted by connecting all hearing threshold values for all tested frequencies is called audiogram. On the audiogram, if all the hearing threshold values remain within the range of 20 dB hearing level, then it is called normal hearing. Now I am talking about the hearing test app for Android device by eAudiology. This app is considered as a tool for hearing screening. The publisher's website states that hearing test app does not supersede or replace a diagnosis by a physician or an audiologist and is not intended to be used for monitoring, treatment, or alleviation of any disease or disability. If you have questions or concern with regard to your hearing health, please consult a medical professional or an audiologist. The app provides two basic hearing tests. One is pure tone audiometry, that is air conduction test, and the second is the digits in noise test, that is speech intelligibility test. Pure tone audiometry determines the degree of hearing loss in relation to the sound frequencies, and the digits in noise test evaluates speech intelligibility and consists of recognition of the digits in the noise. Let us move on to the hearing test app. First, you need to install the hearing test app. For that, you need to go to the Play Store and the search option just write down hearing test for Android. In the search result, you will find a hearing test by eAudiology. Just click on that and install the hearing test app. Then wait for the installation. After installation, you will get a disclaimer. Click on OK. Then you will have three options: hearing threshold test, speech intelligibility test, and browse test. First, you need to click on the hearing test option. To conduct the hearing threshold test, you need headphones. These should be the headphones provided with your mobile device. Then select bundled headphones. Then there will be a calibration option. Calibration must be done by A normal hearing person. Calibration must be carried out in silence using headphones by a normal hearing person aged 18 years to 35 years. So, pass the device and the headphones to the person who is going to perform the calibration. Calibration consists in pressing and holding the button every time the sound is audible. The button must be pressed for as long as the sound is audible, and the calibration takes 7 to 8 minutes. During this process of calibration, for each frequency from 125 Hz to 8000 Hz, there will be a pure tone like sound which will be audible, and when the sound will be audible, you need to press the button, and when the sound is no longer audible, you need to release the button. Likewise, for every frequency, you need to press the button when the sound is audible and soon release the button when the sound is no longer audible. This pressing and releasing of the button throughout the frequencies will complete in 7 to 8 minutes of calibration process. After the calibration process, then it comes pure tone air conduction testing. The test consists in determining the quietest audible sound. Use the button I can hear and I cannot hear to determine the quietest audible sound and confirm with the button barely audible. In this process, you will hear a series of short beeping sounds. They will have various frequencies, both low and high, and will gradually become softer and softer until you can't hear them anymore. When you hear the sound, you can click I can hear. Then the intensity of sound will go on decreasing and the sound will become softer and softer. You can click I can hear until you can hear the very softest or least sound. When the sound is no longer audible or you will not hear any sound, then you need to click on I cannot hear. Then the immediate sound which you can hear will be the least or very quietest sound, which will be your threshold, and you need to click on barely audible to save this threshold. Likewise, complete all the frequencies till 8000 Hz for right ear and left ear to estimate your hearing threshold. After the completion of test, the result will be saved automatically in an audiogram format. On the result page, there will be an option for audiogram interpretation, under which there are 4 categories. First is you can see your result on an audiogram. Second is you can find out the degree of hearing loss. Third is age norms, and fourth is speech banana. To calculate degree of hearing loss, you need to evaluate the pure tone average. Pure tone average can be calculated by the threshold at 500 Hz plus the threshold at 1000 Hz plus the threshold at 2000 Hz divided by 3. If the threshold is under 20 dB, then it is called normal hearing. If the PTA threshold is 26 dB to 40 dB, then it is called mild hearing loss. If the threshold is 41 to 55 dB, then it is called moderate hearing loss. If the threshold is 56 to 70 dB, then it is called moderately severe hearing loss. If the threshold is 71 to 90 dB, then it is called severe hearing loss. And if the hearing threshold is more than 90 dB, then it is called profound hearing loss. Hope you all understood my video properly. Now check out this app, install it, assess your air conduction pure tone threshold, and give me your feedback and suggestions. Thank you so much.